Welcome. If you love expressing yourself with stickers on Telegram, you'll be glad to know that adding new stickers to your existing sticker set is now easier than ever. Let's walk through the updated steps so you can keep your sticker collection fresh and fun. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on any platform. Just make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head into any chat. It doesn't matter if it's a group chat, a private conversation, or even your own saved messages. At the bottom of the screen, tap the emoji icon right next to the message input field. This brings up your sticker and emoji panel, where all your sticker sets are displayed. Now find your sticker set, the one you want to add a new sticker to. You'll see an edit option next to your sticker set's name, or in the sticker panel. Tap on edit to open up the sticker set management screen. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the plus icon, usually at the top or bottom of your sticker set panel. Tap the plus sign and select Create a new sticker. This will prompt you to upload an image from your device. Choose a clear, high-quality image for the best results. Telegram's built-in editor lets you crop, remove backgrounds, or add outlines to give your sticker that classic look. Once your image is ready, Telegram will ask you to assign one or more emojis to your new sticker. These emojis act as shortcuts, so when you type them in chat, your sticker will pop up as a suggestion. Assign the emojis that best match your sticker's mood or theme. Finally, tap Add to Sticker Set. Your new sticker is now part of your collection and ready to use. You can repeat these steps to add as many stickers as you like. That's it! You've successfully updated your Telegram sticker set with a brand new sticker. Now, go ahead and show off your creativity in your next chat.